Hello friends and welcome back to the Reckless channel. So friends, today I will talk about InWin Infinite 11th generation 6776 Hero costing signature PC chassis. It's look like boot. So friends, the InWin has officially released the limited edition 11th generation signature chassis named Infinite, and this chassis itself through its use of 180-degree curved glass panel and the largest of kind integrated into a PC chassis, and this design required precise engineering to achieve a seamless wraparound curve involving the twisted of glass is opposite direction, and each 6 mm thick glass panel undergoes a chemical straightening process and is fitted with protective film to enhance safety and prevent shattering, and the glass is a 4 mm thick anodized aluminum housing which feature diamond cut edge and sandblasted finish, and the aluminum component are meticulously crafted a counterfoil design that align accurate with the glass, ensuring structural integrity, and the additional details such as laser engraved icons and hairline brush finish on front IO port contribute to chassis refined appearance, and functionality is further enhanced by the chassis motorized hinge mechanism which allow the entire aluminum body to rotate, providing easy access to internal components without the need to remove the glass panel. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.